Hello and welcome to the Assidium tutorial library. This tutorial covers the Stress Testing Data unit. The Stress Test Data tab shows you the graphics data from the Stress Test Charts unit in table form. It can be pretty useful if you are planning an off-grid trip. Just print it out, take it with you and call your brokers as required. Please see the Stress Test Charts tutorial for detailed information on how we derive each of the option Greeks. These tables are the result of stressing the prices of all the holdings in your portfolios up and down by the percentage you set in the valuation setup screens. The default was 10%. This left-hand green and red column shows you how much we have stressed the ruling prices in your portfolio. I selected to stress the prices of all the securities in my portfolio by 10% up and down. The spread numbers are green for positive stresses when the prices are moved up and red for negative stresses when the prices are moved down. Just to be clear, if a security's current price is £100, a 10% stress will take it up to £110 and down to £90. And all the Greek analytic variables for the entire portfolio will change accordingly. Click here to view the numbers for your portfolio as a whole. The data in this row shows me that if I increase the prices of every holding in my portfolio by a factor of 4% and change nothing else, then my profit will go up to £1,196. The delta-adjusted exposure of my portfolio will increase from £13,123 to £19,835. My gamma will also increase, and my theta, or the cost of holding my options, will get slightly more expensive. Instead of costing me £11 per day, it will cost me £12. This is because my options would be getting closer and closer to the money and would therefore be worth more, and hence the cost of holding it increases also. Click here to view analysis for each individual holding in your portfolio. This is useful in determining which of your holdings are the most sensitive, effective and profitable. Just toggle to select whether you are seeing the individual holdings market value, delta-adjusted cash exposure, or profit and loss. To export the data, simply click on the Export tab from within the Stress Test Data unit. Browse for where you wish to send your data. The default is the Exports folder within your Assidium installation. When you double-click on the file using a PC, it will open in Excel format, and you can save it like that if you wish. Please see the Stress Test Charts unit for detailed help with each of the Greek variables, or if you prefer, consult the Options white paper or the Help manual.